In front of me is KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you how to change video quality, how to change video resolution on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the camera app, it's right here. Then let's move to video mode. Click on the settings icon and select this first tab, which is for quality. So just by tapping, as you can see, you can change it. So now you've got the highest quality and you can smoothly record it, but if you would like to resize it, just click once or twice to change it. And this is it. This is how you can change video quality in your KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.